Arlo Pro 2, wireless home security camera system with Siren Review 2019. Works with Alexa for voice-controlled Alexa device sold separately. 100% wireless camera, free of power cords and wiring hassles. Operating temperature 32 degree to 122 degree Fahrenheit. Wireless range 300 plus feet, line of sight.Focus range, Saint, fixed focus, 2 feet to infinity. 1080p HD wireless security camera system with night vision, high-quality video with sharper and brighter details. Night vision turns on automatically in low light, so you can see clearly, even in the dark. Flexible powering options, use wire-free, plugged-in. Rechargeable battery. Night vision 850 nm LEDs, illuminates up to 25 feet. IR cutoff filter. Weather resistant. Arlo Pro cameras are weather resistant, so you can place them indoor or outdoor.Video. Capture resolution configurable up to 1280x720. 7 days of free cloud recordings. Arlo Pro comes with recurring 7-day free cloud recordings. Live stream or view recorded video and audio for up to 7 days. Works with Amazon Alexa, Echo Show, Fire TV, Google Assistant. View your live video with a simple voice command. Works with IFTTT, Samsung SmartThings, and more. 2440 more rechargeable battery. Arlo Smart adds powerful intelligence to your Arlo cameras. Customize alerts to detect people, specific zones, and contact emergency responders right from your smartphone's lock screen. Optional service. Includes 1-month trial. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.